Now imagine you go to study in the UK for free, not because you are rich, but because you have faced challenges and you have refused to give up. I will tell you guys a scholarship in the UK which is completely free of charge, okay? This scholarship is 100% tuition waiver, and this scholarship is a humanitarian scholarship at the Oxford Brookes University, okay? And this scholarship can change your life literally. So please watch till the end and grab the full information because I will tell you guys the scholarship deadlines, some programs which are available for this scholarship, documents which are required for this scholarship, and what you have to do to be eligible for this scholarship, okay? So please like the video as you watch it, subscribe and share this video, okay? My name is Kem Stefan and I make content on immigration, study abroad and getting a visa. Now, this scholarship is found in the UK and this scholarship is a humanitarian scholarship as earlier mentioned. Now, the scholarship deadlines ends on the 25th of May 2026, okay? So basically, you still have about 2 months or so before the scholarship deadline clocks. Now, if you apply for the scholarship now, you will resume classes on September 2026, okay? This scholarship is for undergraduates and postgraduates, not for PhD students. For PhD students, you can check other scholarships in Europe, okay? Or if you want to study out of Europe, you can check the Australian government scholarship. However, some programs in this scholarship in the UK which are available for undergraduate programs are business and finance, accounting and economics, communication, media and culture, construction, project and management, bachelor's in history, bachelor's in geography and international relations, bachelor's in midwifery, bachelor's in social work, bachelor's in nursing, and so many other programs. There are so many other programs in this scholarship, okay, for both undergraduate and postgraduate students who want to apply for this scholarship. If you want to know more about this scholarship and the programs in this scholarship which are available, please check the link down below in the description box. Some documents which are required for this scholarship include, please remember, this scholarship deadline ends on the 25th of May 2026, okay, and you must provide these documents which I will talk about shortly. First of all, you must provide a direct application proof. So you must show proof that basically you have applied for this scholarship. Secondly, you must show your academic transcript. Um, if you are going for bachelor's programs, that means that you must show proof that you have studied before. If, for instance, you are going there for bachelor's programs, you must show your transcript, okay, your high school transcript. For Cameroonians, it's a O level and an A level. For Ghanaians, it's your WASI. Was it WASI or WASE? For Nigerians, your JAM and your WAEC, okay. Each country has its own. Now, next is that you must show a personal statement, okay. Please, you can see all these requirements on the website, okay. I'll leave a link down below again as earlier mentioned. Go there and verify it for yourself if you doubt me. Next, you must show a referee supporting document, signed and dated. This is very, very important, okay? Because if you don't show a referee supporting document, they won't even accept you. I mean, this is very, very clear on the website that you must show a referee supporting document, signed and dated. So please take all this into consideration. Next, you must show proof of immigration status. Um, Basically, for me, what I believe is that you must already have an immigration status in the UK. Okay. Next is that you must show any additional course specific documents. Remember, there are so many courses here, there are so many programs here, both for undergraduate and for postgraduate. Excuse me. And each course might have their own documents which they ask from you. Okay. So please take all this into consideration. How do you get eligible for this scholarship? This scholarship has some 7 points which you must know on how to get eligible for the scholarship, okay? Now, the first is that you must provide evidence of immigration status. Yes, as earlier mentioned, you must provide evidence of immigration status, which means that you must already have some kind of immigration status in the UK, okay, before you can apply for the scholarship. Next is that you must be an asylum seeker or have protection status. So basically, this scholarship is for those who have applied for asylum, okay, who have some kind of protection. You can't apply for a student visa here in Cameroon if you want to go study in the UK, okay? That is because the UK government has seen that most Cameroonians who are going to the UK for studies, most of them got there and apply for asylum, okay? So basically, they have stopped Cameroonians from applying for their visas in Cameroon. Fourth point, you must have applied for a full-time undergraduate or postgraduate taught course in the UK. Fifth point, you must meet courses entry requirement. Yeah, that's all for now. Thanks again for watching up to this end. Please like the video, subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.